I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'd like to introduce you to Slipstick's rubber office chair caster wheels designed to protect wood floors. These wheels come in a set of 5 with a universal fit to replace hard plastic wheels that can often damage wood surfaces. Slipstick's rubber bonded wheels roll smoothly and quietly and are easy to install with no need for any tools. These wheels are rated at 330 pounds or 150 kilos per set and are built to last. Say goodbye to those unsightly plastic floor mats. All Slipstick caster wheels are backed by a 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.